Hello and welcome to Upside Down. Today's episode is a special one. We made it to 1,000 subscribers, which is just insane. Thank you everyone for the amazing support. I hope that you enjoy and like my videos and also that they are helpful for you and you are growing as an artist. I've made a short compilation of some of the videos that we saw on this road to 1,000 subscribers. But before playing the compilation, I want to share with you what's coming to the channel. The first thing is going to be, of course, the purpose of the channel itself, and this is educational, so that I can share my experience with you and help you learn new things. Number 2, as probably a lot of you know, I'm working on a Diablo 2 scene and trying to recreate Act 4 from the game, as it's one of my all-time favorite games. My deadline for finishing the project is on June, when is the anniversary of Diablo. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe and follow me so that you don't miss the video that's coming. And finally, the third and the biggest thing that is coming to the channel is that I want to create more detailed and cinematic experiences for all of you to enjoy. So my idea behind it is to create short cinematics that are telling stories from popular games. The first one, of course, is going to be from the Diablo series, and I will put on Twitter. You can find the link down below from the survey from which of the short stories we should start. Of course, I'll be recording most of the process while I'm creating those cinematics, and I'll be sharing those videos with you. Thank you one more time. I'm leaving you now to enjoy the compilation of some of the videos that we've saw so far on our road to 1,000 subscribers. And make sure to follow me because there is a great journey that's ahead of us.